Thanks, Chester. Hi. So I'm Heidi Crow, a data engineer from Opennetworks. So as you can see from that slide, what is data? When did we start recording? Well, at the very beginning of time of humanity. And we did it on cave walls, but it could be saved and relooked at. That is data. Anything that can be saved and relooked at is data. And we can analyze that data. Now, there are a few topics that I'll be discussing in this webinar. Data, what is it used for? Can your data be monetized? Yes, definitely it can. Do you have a single source of truth? Now that's worth spending a moment talking about, this phrase, single source of truth. As you will hear it again and again, data getting collected from different sources, social media, your accounts department, your support tickets. A single source of truth brings that all together to build a full picture. That's an art too, in making sure that a single source is the truth. For example, a client's name might be spelled differently, and so it's not adjusted when you submit all that client's details, because over there it's spelled John, and over there it's spelled Jon, and you need to know that it's the same person. So with analytics, we can, so that when you look at your spreadsheet, you can have John's results and not two John's results and half-half. Now, in data analytics, we bring all the data into a data warehouse. So it's one source of truth that you pull all your reports from. There are multiple different stages in transitioning the data, and I'll be going through all the different products that allow you and that you can get better with. Thanks, Anna. Your data is being spread everywhere. You get stale attachments in emails. Somebody has an extra spreadsheet there and there. Now we bring it all into that one central warehouse or central depository, then it is your single source. The other one we're looking at is your data safe? Now Chester will be looking at that later in the presentation. Oh, by the way, I pinched that picture off Facebook. So is your data safe?